Welcome to Gentleman Gamer. I normally do not watch this, I've never been bothered, but I thought I'd take this opportunity to just quickly introduce myself. This whole thing started because my kids became obsessed with Sons of the Forest on YouTube, and they really wanted to get the game and start playing. I always evaluate games before I let my kids play them, so I got the game, realized I needed a new computer. Thank God my wife will not find out how much this new computer actually cost. And then I played it, checked it out, and I got hooked. Bummer. I've played it a few times, I thought I'd share a little bit. And the whole point of this, and oh, right, is that his wife and kid? No wonder he's not, trying it very hard to get Virginia. Oh, right, that was a huge waste of time in previous games. No wonder. And this is the intro. I've never actually watched it. I couldn't be bothered. There's Fisheye. He's going to die. Kelvin. Right. Hey, Kelvin. Anyway, what I'm going to do today is that I'm going to do a speed run, or what I call a chicken run. You know, you've seen these other YouTubers and gamers, and they just run circles around mutants and bosses and whack them with sticks until they're dead. I'm not that kind of gamer. I prefer ranged weapons. From good range, really, from a safe position, preferably shooting them in the back. Not entirely sure that the helicopter crash was the start of Kelvin's problems. Yeah. Computers can... Does this actually say anything? Oh, right. So it's the Puffins. We're supposed to get them. There's Virginia that we all love. And the map. Right. Oh, Kelvin. Seriously, Kelvin, dude, you aren't ex-Marine, are you? Nah. Kelvin, you weren't in the Special Forces. No. No, probably not. I'm guessing you're either a cook or, one of the sort of store guys. Ex-store guy. Incidentally, cooks and store guys, those are the people you really want to keep friendly with when you're in any armed forces. And we're going to keep friendly with Kelvin because he's useful, if somewhat stupid and annoying. Oh, I'm supposed to press E. Right. E? Okay, here we go. He closes that. And fight demons. Yeah, I've seen this in trailers. What does that mean? Okay, we're being shot at. Yeah, I'm gonna spare you this whole intro probably. If you're watching this video, you've watched it 100 times. If not, then... Oh, we're crashing in the sea. If not, then you might want to watch it if you think it's fun. This is the first time I've spawned in the sea. It's usually I've spawned in the mountains. Uh-oh. Okay, sorry, Fisheye. Or is that Kelvin? Kelvin, go around the helicopter. Yeah. Am I supposed to do anything? No. Well, E. Right. E. Go on. E. No. I'm gonna drown. Ah, great way to start a game. I'm fucking drowning. Right. Okay. Is this gonna give us any loot, I wonder? Swim for the light! Okay, now what happened? Okay. Oh, here we go. Right. I've seen this before and... Wait, what the... Does he have boobs? I'm gonna make a rerun on that and just check it out. Yeah, it does look like she has boobs. Or very strangely placed pecs. Weird. Is he actually a woman identifying as a man? Hey, it doesn't matter where you spawn. He comes around and smacks you with his revolver. He, she, it, whatever. Okay, here we are. This is... we're on the beach spawn point. First time ever happened here. Okay, so... we're gonna start our chicken run, our speed run. Why do we do that? It's because as the game progresses, you get gradually more mutants and cannibals. And especially mutants in the caves. So the sooner you at least get the work on the shovel and the reader, the faster... the less enemies you have to deal with. Here's one plus also, so we get the mutants. Okay, where are we? We are actually pretty fucking close to the rebreather cave. We like the rebreather cave. We've checked out all. We've pillaged as much as we can. We have no light. We're very close to the lovely rebreather cave. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna run this first. This is gonna be chicken run. Right, chop it, chop it, chop it, chop it. There we go. Enter. Yeah, I don't care about construction. Equip light by pressing L. Bye. At this point, we only have the lighter. We're gonna go and get the torch quickly because it's nice to have the torch. I've never... Okay, we found a new location, entertainment bunker. That's a good one. Let's see what we have here. Skulls. Something. Okay, buff corp. Yeah, don't care. I really don't care about the story of the game. It doesn't really make sense. Okay, and dead guy. Right, so what I'm gonna do, first of all, inventory. I'm gonna make a quick save, so I don't have to go through the long intro again and revive Kelvin and hello. Can I get a... I don't have a stick. I don't have a stick. Idiot. Right, so memo number 1. Get a stick before you enter the cave. That should be... Oh, can we get a stick here? Are we getting any sticks from this? Yes, we're getting some sticks. Lovely. Few sticks, good. Hi, Kelvin. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna go into the cave again. Sticks are a good thing. And little rocks are good to collect. We love this. And we're back. Let's make a quick save, always good. Get a stick. And E. New save. Chicken run day 0. Rebreather. Right. Okay. Get my... Hello? Get my... There we go. Thank you. Can I get that my stick back, please? Okay. Oh. Did I? Oh, right. Didn't I plunder this already? Apparently not. Well. Well, I actually had to do... they killed me. Anyway, Because what I wanted to show you was that you can run all this part. I don't think there's anything interesting here. You're pretty safe until you have to duck down. And then the trick here is really to keep left. Nothing here. You go down. You're safe until this point. You have to go down. This guy doesn't have anything. Okay, puffies. So I'm just gonna run past you. Hey guys, how's it going? Left. Keep left, keep left, keep left. Let's keep going left. I think you kept going left. Yes. And then you just keep going. Straight, more or less. Okay, more or less. Or I might be... No. You have to duck down a little bit. Keep left. Here we go. If you had gone right there, that's where they won't follow you through these low passages, so you'll be safe. If you had gone right, you would have found the stun gun and the wetsuit, but it's pretty tight and there's a fair amount of enemies right there. I'm only gonna go down here because I want to test something. You get arms and legs here. Oh, there's a couple of rocks. I pick everything up when I can. But we don't want to go into the water because, as I'm sure you've heard, there is... Uh-oh. I should be able to... Yeah, I can sneak around the end. Right, this is where we go. Okay, so here's quite a lot of loot. Skulls. Okay, can't pick up more skulls. And... rebreather cave. Remember, keep left. Bones. Pick them up. There's a couple of bottles of vodka. Can pick up more skulls and flares. And there we have it. The rebreather. Okay. Why am I so low on health? The watch. Stunner. That's the stun gun. That's if you had gone right in the junction instead of left, that would have been where you've been going. We crash that computer to get the card. Can't get more skulls. Oh, there's another computer. Uh-oh. Okay, that one then went away. Okay, there's nothing more here. Now, here's the thing. There's a bloody shark in here. There it is. Can you see it? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if this actually works. Here, sharky. Here, sharky. I'm going to eat something. I don't really need to eat anything. I'm gonna get some meds. What did we get? 9mm ammo, slug ammo, buckshot ammo. And out on the right we have body parts! Right, let's get a leg. How do you throw this? Where's the shark? Sharky! There it is. Okay, let's throw the leg. Where's shark? Okay, there we go. Go and get the leg. Come on, boy. Let's see if I... Okay, never mind. I think he's gone away. No, there is. This is the exit. This is where I wish I would have the light. Okay, there he is. If you can't... He doesn't care about the legs, apparently. You can kill him. But now he's going away. And then you swim like fucking hell. And hopefully he won't eat you. There we go. It's pretty straightforward from here on. Hey Kelvin, I'm gonna run back to the crash site and see... I actually got killed I saved you that because I stopped at the junction inside the cave to see if I could show you the more properly where the stun gun and the wetsuit and some other stuff can be found. But like I said, it's a long narrow corridor, it's a couple of enemies that you actually have to kill. And this is not called the chicken run for nothing. We are avoiding all fighting that we possibly could. Because we're chickens! Oh, batteries, good. I like batteries, yep. And when I reloaded the game, because I didn't want to go through the, you know, hanging in a cocoon somewhere and then digging myself out and no health and it sucks. I just made sure I... Right, oh, there's one I missed before, I think. Can't have too much cell tape. Okay, so here we are. I'm gonna make a quick save again. Every time you save and load, it refills, at least in normal, it refills the boxes and the loot, which is kind of nice when you're starting. When you're starting off, because it's so easy to lose, you know, waste some stuff that you need later, and you really need quite a lot before you kind of get into the game. Picking up stones. Okay, so now we need to be a little bit more constructive. Where are we going next? Map. Okay, this is a we are on the what is usually called the North Beach. The blinking dot there is the it's the entertainment bunker. You need a key card to get in, but you also have a 3D printer there. So that's going to be one of our first stops. We're going to go up there and get ourselves the... get ourselves some 3D printed arrows. And then the exclamation mark, the purple one, is the flashlight, which we want to get. But you know what? I'm going to make a run around, because on the way you can find a night V, and it might actually speed up our running a little bit if we take that. This incidentally is also a good place for oysters. They do not give you very much food, but they do give you something. I personally think that oysters should give you more food. Right. Right now I'm going to add the axe. Oysters, there we go. Oysters, good ones, good ones. Oysters, they keep long as well, so you want to get a bunch of those. We're going to run along this side. It's a little bit off, but we could run straight for the flashlight and then the bunker. And then the rope gun cave. It's kind of on up that area, but it's not... It's a little bit far off, and you can actually, this way you get more loot and you can prepare yourself better. Oh, wait. Turtle! Thank you! Right, he's dead. And some meat. Thank you. I'm okay on food so far. I'm not going to kill more turtle. Well, actually, yes, I am. Can I get that? There we go. We're just going to leave Kelvin behind. He will follow. He's quite useless. Thing is, we can't take... No, we can't take... We cannot take one shell, which kind of sucks. and apparently only one turtle head. Ah, we could take one. Trophy! Okay, I'm gonna go to inventory. I don't have very much. I'm gonna take that, and I'm gonna press 2. So that's my fast key for 2. I'm gonna eat an oyster just for fun. Water is really the biggest problem. Since the update, they have... Press 2, thank you, I get my axe back. Since the update, they have... Pick up small stones. Yeah, since the little updates, apparently you can't drink all the water, you have to boil it first. Personally, I find that annoying. You have to boil all water, even in normal mode. I'm walking around like this because I'm pressing... Okay, I can pick up more stones. Picking up the small stones are pretty good. You can use them to throw at things. I'm gonna make a quick one. First weapon of the day. Make a spear. I'm gonna mask this 3 and equip. Thank you. Spears are pretty good. The only thing is you can't block with them. The axe kind of sucks on that. Oh crap. I just forgot something. You get the machete here. Never mind, I'll go back for it. Machete is quite good. It's a quick blocker and deals you more damage. Deals a lot more damage than the little tactical axe. But, well, I could have gone north here. The north beach is awesome. There's a lot of loot here. Oh, stick. Yeah, always pick up stuff that you see. It's much sticks and stones, man. That's what you need. Yeah, I'm gonna shut up now, and I'm gonna let you speed run this. I'm gonna speed this up during the... It's gonna be long. See this little cove here. Right, he's getting tired. Okay, here we are. This little cove right there, between the north and the west beach. The east beach, eastern beach. This is all entirely dependent on the maps usually found on internet. They're not actually entirely accurate because the sun is going down, and that means that west should actually be somewhere over there rather than there. Oh, never mind, who cares, really? You get the maps up on... Nothing more here? No loot. This used to be more loot here. Okay, here we can... The reason I came here is because it's... we already have a camouflage suit for Virginia. And the binoculars. That was the binoculars. Lovely. The binoculars. Rather useless, to be honest. Actually, they're good. They're fun. You can creep on cannibals and Virginia when she's bathing. Hate to disappoint you guys, she never actually takes anything off. She does show her nipples when her nipples kind of shows through her swimming suit when it's raining. Yeah. And you know, here's a little spoiler for you. I'm gonna eat that. Here's a little spoiler for you. I've been looking into this quite a lot, and I'm guessing Virginia mutated with the cannibals and the other mutants, and she's Barbie. Sorry guys, no luck there. She doesn't have, you know, she does have boobs. Am I allowed to say boobs? She does certainly have nipples. Those are very prominent. And a radio. I can't pick this one up. And there's a Night V. I love that one. That's the reason we came here. And also there's a lot of loot. I'm gonna get my spear out again. There we go. There's a lot of loot here. And an awful dead guy. Oh, wait. What's the case? There's a lot of loot here. And that one, this marigold, that's eatable, apparently. I'm gonna collect a few of those. Okay. This is also a good time. It's getting dark, so I'm gonna get my axe out. You can't do anything with these radios, so I'm gonna crash it. And it's annoying to listen to. And I'm going to save. We're still on day 1. We have the rebreather. And I'm going to sleep. And we've slept. Wonderful. Right, this is the reason we came here. Let's get the map out. I'm going to get something in the hand. That's easier. Okay, so we are here. I'm going to show you a little bit. Right, so we're in the North Beach. What I mean, on the northern part of the North Beach, there's the machete, which is kind of good to have. That purple exclamation mark is the shotgun. It's buried, so you need the shovel. And I don't know. I'm gonna get the flashlight up there. There's a couple of things on the way. Actually, I'm gonna go back, get the shovel, get the machete, go up and get the flashlight. Close to the flashlight, there's the can opener and another camp that has quite a lot of loot. And then I'm going to 3D print a few arrows. This is not ideal speedrun, but it's as good as we can go. Actually, oh, wait. I'm gonna make a quick save. Oh, hi, Kelvin. You're just gonna have to run to keep up. Sorry, dude.